Welcome to the HP Unplugged special episode, officers.
Thank you, sir.
So, let's start by getting to know all of you better. Each one of you, please introduce yourself.
Hi Yogesh, I am Lakshya. I am a mechanical engineer from Haryana and I am currently posted as a sales officer in Shimla Regional Office.
Hello Yogesh, my name is Anita Sharma. I am from Kota, Rajasthan. I have been graduated from mechanical engineering. I have done my graduation from Jaipur, Rajasthan only. I already have 4 years of experience in a city gas distribution company.
Okay. Hi Yogesh, my name is Sachin Labana. I basically belong to a small place called Badod Agar Malwa, which is nearby Ujjain in the Madhya Pradesh. I have done my graduation in mechanical engineering from SGSITS Indore, and after that I went for a master's from IIT Hyderabad. And after that, I worked for 6 months and then I landed here.
That's great. So, we start our episode. So, what was your initial reaction when you got an offer letter from HPCL?
I was kind of expecting that I will get it, but still, when you get it in the actual terms, that is the actual feeling that you feel. I was preparing for GATE examination. It was due after almost 2 months and it was a very anxious moment going on. Then the HPCL offer came and it was like very overwhelming.
Oh, that's nice.
For me, I was not able to believe that it has happened. I asked my friends to recheck the mail, is it true or not? But fortunately it is the message which I was expecting, and it was a moment like dream coming true.
What about you? For me, it was like a dream come true because earlier, before this result, I left my job and I was preparing for that. So, like, I gave the exam, but in return, my marks was somewhat less. So, I was not expecting that I will be able to get it through. But then, once the result came, it was like a shocking moment for me. It was a very surprising moment for me, and it was like, is it true that did I get it? Did I done this? Or like मेरा हो गया, मुझे भरोसा नहीं हो रहा था कि मेरा हो गया. तो like ऐसे ही सेम मैंने भी फ्रेंड को कॉल किया, फ्रेंड को मेल पहले स्क्रीनशॉट भेजा, उसको पूछा कि क्या ये सही है, तो उसने बोला हाँ भाई तू ऑफिसर बन गया. तो it was like a very dream come true moment for me, and then I called my parents. They were also very happy. So yeah, it was a very like dream come true moment for me, a memorable moment.
Yeah, that's true. ऐसे बहुत सारे मोमेंट जिंदगी में बस 1-2 टाइम ही आते हैं हमारे जीवन में. So, आपने जैसे समावेश बैच तो बहुत सारा एंजॉय किया होगा. So, how was your experience during the induction program?
HR team has made sure कि सबको बहुत ही homely environment feel हो, and they've actually made us feel like कि हम किसी महारत्न PSU में आए हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि कहीं भी हो, जो जिसके लिए हम चाह रहे थे आना, वो एक्चुअल में यहाँ पे मिला है. तो और हायर मैनेजमेंट से इंटरेक्ट करने का मौका शायद ही कहीं मिलता है. तो पूरे 2 हफ्ते हर एक डिफरेंट एसपीओ से सब आए और सबने अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर किए हमसे. इट वाज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस ओवरऑल.
That's nice. What about you, Anita?
So the time I entered the campus, I found it really very welcoming. The onboarding process was really very smooth. The very first day, an activity, ice-breaking activity was there, which somehow increased the energy within us, which was somewhere not available.
Okay.
Then followed by all the departmental training sessions and field visit. The HP Got Talent was the day which I found the most interesting, and the energy from the very first day to the last day was so high.
So, have you done any performance?
Yes, sir. I performed a dance, solo dance in the HP Got Talent, and I got the prize also.
Okay, that's nice. What about you, Sachin?
For me, the induction program was very like welcoming. Like first day जब हम लोग यहाँ पे आए तो सब लोग को देखा कि सब लोग कुछ लोग अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ आए, क्योंकि सबका ड्रीम होता है कि पीएसयू में आएंगे तो फर्स्ट किसी का फर्स्ट जॉब होता है, किसी का सेकंड जॉब होता है. तो पीएसयू में वर्किंग इन पीएसयू itself it's a very good feeling. So सब लोग आए यहाँ पर. Then HR team से हम लोग मिले. HR team बहुत मतलब सपोर्टिव थे, कोऑपरेटिव थे. They have coordinated very well everything onboarding process from documentation to the classroom session. Classroom में भी हम लोग बहुत enjoy किए. Then comes to the HP Got Talent. तो HP Got Talent के लिए हम लोग को टाइम बहुत कम था और समय भी बहुत कम था. Like after class we have to prepare in a very short period of time, and then we have to just deliver within 3 days. So it was like a very good moment for us. It was very good experience for all the participants of Samavesh, and we delivered it very good, and we enjoyed a lot during this Samavesh. So हमको पता ही नहीं चला ये 15 days last 15 days कैसे निकल गए. So it was a very wonderful experience for us.
Thank you, Sachin. Thank you. So, what were some key takeaways from Samavesh, Anita?
At the start of this induction program, I was not well aware about the things and the culture, the environment of the HPCL. I was thinking whether it will be suitable for me or not. But after the completion of Samavesh, I finally got to know that, yeah, I am the one who can be here. The environment they have created was so friendly and so supporting. So I found the induction program was must required for the new joinees, as they were not having any idea regarding what the HPCL is and what HPCL is doing in the different businesses.
Okay.
So through the Samavesh, we got an overview of all the departments, and this will be helping us in the future.
Okay. But you want to add something?
The gate examination was very on the point it is about to happen. So I was like in a thoughtful mind that कि हाँ गेट देना है कि नहीं देना है. HPCL देखते हैं आगे भी अपने अपॉर्चुनिटीज ओपन रखते हैं. बट यहाँ पे आने के बाद वो इतना होमली एनवायरनमेंट फील हुआ कि बस जरूरत नहीं है गेट देने की. दिस इज द बेस्ट प्लेस. सो एंड इन समावेश प्रोग्राम एज वेल सर इतनी अच्छी फैसिलिटीज मिली, इतना अच्छा ब्रेकफास्ट लंच डिनर सब इतना अच्छा था.
For me, the biggest key takeaways is like enjoy the moment, every moment, whichever you are, wherever you are. Like Samavesh, it will come once in a lifetime, because once you join here, you will get all this environment. You will get to know each other, your colleagues, your friends. बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स बनेंगे, बहुत सारे लोग, बहुत अच्छे दोस्त बनेंगे, बहुत सारे कलीग्स बनेंगे. सब लोग कुछ ये जो 15 डेज का जो टाइम पीरियड है, इसमें हम लोग बहुत सारा अच्छे से एंजॉय किए. तो मेरा बिगेस्ट की टेकअवे यही है कि यहाँ से हम लोग एक टीम कोलैबोरेशन जो है वो सीख के जा रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से अगर हम लोग कोलैबोरेशन टीम वर्क के साथ अगर काम करते हैं तो वो कुछ भी एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी हम लोग टास्क परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, दैट कैन बी अचीव. और जैसे फील्ड विजिट की बात है तो हम लोग को फील्ड विजिट में हम लोग को बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज दी गई है. तो हम लोग ने बहुत अच्छे से जो जैसे हम लोग को 5 फील्ड विजिट्स के लिए हम लोग को भेजा गया था, तो हम लोग वो पूरा जो मोमेंट है हम लोगों ने फुल अच्छी तरीके से एंजॉय किया. चाहे फ्रॉम वो बस से लेके हमारे जो फील्ड विजिट्स में जो भी कोऑर्डिनेटर थे, दे वर आल्सो वेरी गुड, कोऑर्डिनेटेड वेरी वेल, एंड दे हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन वेरी डिटेल. सो like key takeaways is you just enjoy this process, and don't think about the future. That future anyway we have to work, but this will never come. So yeah, it's a very good.
So thank you guys for sharing your thoughts. So during your Samavesh, you must have made some of the memorable moments. So can you share some of the fun or memorable moments with us?
I guess I had a stage fear factor when I was in my college and even after that. But sir, when I came here, the factor was like वो चला गया एकदम से. I did ramp walk, उसमें हम लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. और उसके अलावा मतलब हमने जैमिंग की, उसमें भी हमारी टीम ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. तो वो एकदम ऐसे फियर ही हट गया स्टेज का. तो that was one of the favorite moments.
बढ़िया, आप बताइए.
So I still remember the date also, 25th of January, our visit to NIGDI. There during the class, our principal NIGDI, Mr. Nikhil Verma sir, after my dance performance of HP Got Talent, he still remembered my name, and he called that, yeah, I have shared your dance performance with my family also, and he praised me there in the whole class. So that moment made me feel like that, yeah, I'm also the valuable person of HPCL family now. So that was a memorable moment for me.
So for me, like whatever the time we have spent, all are memorable. But the most favorite part is that when we were preparing for the HP Got Talent, in the night time we used to prepare. We used to do practice a lot, and then when I performed on the stage on HP Got Talent, so it was a very wonderful and memorable moment for me, because I got an award from HR director sir. So I never did this before. Like I am a musical instrument player. But I never performed in a singing. So HP Got Talent gives me the opportunity to nurture my this talent, also showcase, so that I can showcase that my talent. And I got award for that. So that was a wonderful and memorable.
Seems like you guys had lots of fun during this induction program. So we will move further.
Could you share your experience about recent field visit to HPCL locations?
I think field visit was a very important part of the Samavesh program. Why I'm saying this is because when we are studying, we are preparing. We are only preparing using the books and all the books knowledge that we have. And in engineering, I guess, apart from the books knowledge, it is very important to understand the real life examples and the applications which are going on. So we had almost 6 field visits, and we were able to understand how the distribution system, the refining system, the distillation, and everything, how the whole industry is working in HPC. So one of my favorite memories from the field visit was in Nigdi, where we were able to have some team collaboration activities. We were able to understand the augmented reality, the virtual reality as well, and we also played certain games.
Okay.
So
What about you?
Sir, our visit to Loni Pipeline Terminal, like department-wise, everyone from the all departments were coming and giving us the session. But that time we were not able to relate so much. Like they were only letting us to know the work principle, the process, how it goes, and they were showing us the photos. But that time we were not able to relate. But at the time of field visit, we saw everything by our naked eyes, and that time we came to know, like my field visit to Loni Terminal, that time I eventually got how in a single carrier pipeline we use the number of fuels, how we separate them, and how we collect them, how we distribute it to further customers. So field visit is must needed thing to relate the theoretical concept with the practical things.
So, like my colleague said, that field visits are very important, and like this induction program is planned in such a way that you will get some theoretical overview as well as some practical overview also. So, like we had 5 or 6 field visits in which we have divided in a group and we went day by day we went. So, field visits में क्या है कि प्रैक्टिकल चीजें जो हम लोग को जो टेक्निकल चीजें वो लोग हमको देखने को मिली, एज वेल एज मुझे लगता है कि फील्ड विजिट्स आर मोर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर और कलीग्स बॉन्डिंग आल्सो. दैट हम लोग जब जा रहे थे, जो जैसे हम लोग फन करते हुए जा रहे थे, सब लोग एक दूसरे से जान रहे, बिकॉज हियर यहाँ पर हम लोग सारे ऑल ओवर इंडिया से लाइक पार्टिसिपेंट्स आए हुए हैं, तो सब लोग एक दूसरे को जान पा रहे थे, बहुत अच्छे से एंजॉय कर पा रहे थे. तो दैट इज ऑल्सो ए मोर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग फॉर द फील्ड विजिट्स. Like if you are going in a field visits, and then we have seen so many good things there, like whatever जो हम लोग इंजीनियरिंग में पढ़ते हैं, क्या ये लाइक हम जब थ्योरेटिकल पढ़ते हैं तो हमें वो चीज़ें इतना समझ में नहीं आती है. और जैसे रिफाइनरी की वजह हम लोग मुंबई रिफाइनरी गए थे, तो वहाँ पे हम लोग देखो बहुत बड़ा प्लांट है, तो बहुत सारे अलग अलग डिस्टिलेशन यूनिट है, बहुत सारे कंट्रोल रूम्स है, हाउ दिस थिंग्स ऑपरेट, हाउ दिस थिंग्स वर्क्स साइमल्टेनियसली. सो ये बहुत एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा था हमारे लिए. और निगड़ी जैसे हमारा जो ट्रेनिंग सेंटर है, वहाँ पर हम लोग को एक्चुअली बहुत फन एक्टिविटी की. हम लोग पूरा लाइक सब लोग स्पोर्ट्स में एंगेज हुए वहाँ पर. और AR/VR जो डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी है, जिसमें HPCL बहुत अभी अच्छा इन्वेस्ट कर रही है, सो दैट फॉर द ट्रेनिंग ऑफ द न्यू ऑफिसर्स. तो दैट वाज अ वेरी गुड थिंग.
What message would you give to next batch of officers?
keep working hard. There's no alternative. Nobody is coming for you, and whatever you are doing, wherever you are doing, just keep putting everything. Be disciplined and just work as much as you can. There's nothing else that you can do.
So the day when I posted that I have been selected for HPCL as senior officer, from that very first day, I have been receiving a lot messages on various social medias, like how we can be there at your place, how we can join HPCL. So the only thing is work hard, because सबको एक ड्रीम जॉब चाहिए होती है, and HPCL is the one, like महारत्ना कंपनी and PSU, जहाँ पे सब लोग अपनी एक ड्रीम लाइफ जी सकते हैं. तो आई वुड सजेस्ट सब लोग अपना हार्डवर्क कैरी ऑन करें. एंड या, for us CGD persons, those who are already working in various companies, they are having a best opportunity to switch to such a valuable company, HPCL. So keep working hard. That's all.
तो लाइक जब मैं प्रिपेयर कर रहा था HPCL के लिए, और जब मैं जॉब छोड़ के जब प्रिपेयर कर रहा था, तो मेरे माइंड में भी बहुत सारे सवाल रहते हैं. लाइक अभी भी जो आने वाली देश के जो समावेश पार्टिसिपेंट्स होंगे, जो भी HPCL के लिए एस्पायर कर रहे होंगे, उनके मन में भी सवाल रहता है कि यार मैं कर तो रहा हूँ, लेकिन होगा कि नहीं होगा. तो मैं उनसे ये कहना चाहूँगा कि बस तैयारी करते रहो. जो रिजल्ट अपने हाथ में नहीं है, आपके हाथ में जो तैयारी करना है, जो आपके हाथ में हार्डवर्क करना है, वो करते रहो, और एक दिन सफलता जरूर मिलती है. तो मेरा ये है कि बस enjoy this process, whatever you are doing, do your best, and once you come here, you will enjoy, and you can enjoy this. You will enjoy this Samavesh induction program. So that is it from my side.
Thank you guys. Thank you for your message. आज हमने देखा कि HPCL एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं है, ये एक परिवार है जिसमें हम लोग नए मेंबर्स को खुद ही समावेशित करता है. So thank you guys. This is just the beginning for your incredible journey. Keep learning and growing and leading. So before we wrap up, I have heard from your batchmates that Sachin, you are a good singer. So can you sing song for our viewers? 2 to 4 lines.
I'm not a good singer, but okay, yeah, I performed in a HP Got Talent, so I can sing that one. So, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरी जान के सदके में कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, हो जी, हाँ जी, हो गई मैं, तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी.
वाओ सचिन, ऐसा लगता है कि आपको HPCL में नहीं बल्कि इंडियन आइडल में होना चाहिए था. सो थैंक यू सचिन.
एंड अनीता एंड लक्ष्य, हम लोगों ने आपके बारे में भी सुना है कि आपको युवांटेज रैंप वॉक में फर्स्ट प्राइज मिला था.
Yes.
तो आप थोड़ा रैंप वॉक के मूव्स दिखा सकते हैं हमारे व्यूअर्स को?
Sure, sir.
थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच. मजा आ गया आप लोगों के साथ आज बातचीत करके.
हमें भी बहुत मजा आया सर आपके साथ.
Yeah. So guys, thank you for sharing your experience, your journey with us today in this special episode.
We are confident you will make a meaningful impact as you step into the new world. So before we wrap up, guys, one more last question for each one of you. Describe HPCL in one word.
Sir, best place to be for an engine.
Global unity.
Okay. Team collaboration and team engaging. But I would like to share something which I wrote for this HPCL journey. Like ख्वाबों के सफर में एक मंजिल मिली, मेहनत के हर पल को एक मंजर मिली, HPCL का ऑफर जब हाथों में था, जिंदगी एक नए उड़ान का असर मिली.
क्या बात, क्या बात. बढ़िया था सचिन.
So guys, thank you for sharing your journey and experience with today in this special episode. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
That concludes this special episode of HP Unplugged Frontliners. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories from the people who make HPCL what it is today. Until next time, take care and keep fueling the future. Jai Hind.